Hi, Mom and Sir. Good day. My name is Marjorie Lemido Ababon. I'm 28-year-old. I'm single with live-in partner. I have one son, age 10-year-old. I am a high school graduate. I live in Sitio Tuburan, Mabini, Cebu City, Philippines. I have four sisters, and I am the oldest of them. I am cheerful, honest, and hardworking person, and I can work under pressure with less supervision. And I love to learn new things, and I can follow the employer's instruction. As a mother, I am very loving and patient to my children, and I will teach them how to be respectful and kind all the time. I want to apply abroad to support my family needs, especially to my son. I want to give him a better future and to support his schooling. And also, I want to save money for the future. I have work experience abroad, first in Dubai as a housemaid for 2 years and 2 months. And I finished my contract. I served there one couple and two kids, 12-year-old girl and 13-year-old girl. My main duties there in Dubai is cleaning all the house, ironing, washing the dishes, do the laundry, and take good care of the children when they're going to school, like preparing their things. I have work experience also in Hong Kong as a housemaid for 1 year and 3 months. I'm so sorry to tell, they released me early for the reason family issue. I served there 3 adult and 1 child, 6-year-old boy and 13-year-old girl, and 1 dog. My main duties there is cleaning all the house, ironing, do the laundry, washing the dishes, cooking, and take good care of the children, especially they were going to school, like preparing their food, prepare their things, they're going to school, and after that, I need to bring him the child. I need to bring him the child in the bus stop or in school. Uh, Again, Mom and Sir, good day. I hope you will choose me as your housemate. I do my very best to serve your family and especially to your kids, and I will treat them like my own. And hoping to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.